Good morning, YouTubers. This is Jamil, and I just wanted to show you the lead matrix that I have just received. It is amazing. This is the 16 by 32 RGB by Adafruit. It took me a little while to wire it up. Connected it to all these IDE pins right here to the Arduino. Put my ground pins here, and I have this for power by Molets. And I just wanted to show you the different animations that it had. Again, I had gotten this from Adafruit.com, and I will show you the different demos that I can have. Just give me a few seconds to upload each individual program, but I hope you all enjoy. Give me 1 minute. It's better when it's in the dark. Mind you, this might blow your mind. A little piece of it. Alright. Oh my goodness. This one's going first. This is test shapes. Next played is Plasma. A Plasma demo. Plasma demo looks really nice. Imagine if I connected this to FPGA, I could make video on this lead matrix. I could really learn the coding behind it. Then it would be spectacular. My favorite though, I'm going to show you in a second, is the scroll text. You see that on like, I guess like extra stores like Walgreens or, you know, any store that has lead matrix in it. I'll show you that one. Here it goes. That's the scroll text. It's pretty nice, isn't it? This lead matrix is about medium sized. It has like a lot of shift registers in it. I think it's definitely worth learning and trying to get into. If I could really, you know, obtain the programming knowledge necessary to really code it the right way. I mean, I managed to wire it to get it like that. I got this far. What I want to do with it, partially, one thing, is 3D print a back case to it and set the wire up so that it's not, you know, too much, because you saw there was a lot of wire earlier, but I can lessen the wire and 3D print a back case to it, put some magnets on it, and attach that to clothing or a book bag, or hook it onto a wall or something, or a mirror, or a door, what have you. That would be portable, and that would totally be the way to go. 4 AA batteries. Those are my idea. I was gonna triple power it and triple ground it with 3 separate wires. 2 for the matrix in each way, because that's how it's gonna be necessary, and 1 more for the Arduino. It's 5V and ground, so that makes 3 separate wires for each. But yeah, that's one way I want to go about it. I would like to make a video wall out of it too. I could. That takes, I don't think I'm ready for that level yet. Not even on this level yet, but I really want to get on it. Wish me luck, guys. And I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day.